Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a huge box of goodies from ColourPop. Let's get right into it. First off, we have two of their Luxe lipsticks. Really cute packaging. The inside has these cute little stars. So cute. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see all the little stars. It's so cute. This is the shade Y2K. Smells really good. It's really soft. Okay, and for the second one, same packaging, same bottle and everything. This is the shade Oasis. This one is a very like pinkish red type shade. It's not super bright. I think it's very pretty. Next is this Just a Tint, which I think is really pretty. Look at all the flowers on the packaging with gold lettering. So pretty. This is in the shade Rosé Way. And this one is a lip crayon. The last two were their Luxe lipsticks. This one is a lip crayon. Oh, it's so pretty. It has like the little hibiscus flowers. I love their lip crayons because they are so moisturizing and smooth. They don't dry your lips out at all. Okay, that's a pretty pink shade. They all smell really good too. Next is their Luxe Gloss. So the first two were their Luxe lipsticks. This one is a Luxe Gloss. And this is in the shade Just Cuddle. Ooh. Pretty packaging. Ooh. This one smells really good. This one is very like nude shade, and my lips are getting kind of red from all the other ones. But here, if I swatch it on my hand. A really pretty nude color, I like it. Okay, next we have another Just a Tint Lip Crayon. This one's a little different. I don't know if it's a different line. This one is Gimme S'more. Smells so good. Really pretty like nude brown color. Okay, next is the So Juicy Plumping Gloss. I'm excited for this one. Okay, so it just comes in like this classic, classic lip gloss. Oh my, definitely very shiny. The minty kind of like cooling plumping effect is definitely starting to kick in. I don't really see a difference yet. The plumping, cooling type of minty feeling, I'm definitely starting to feel that. Can't see too much of a difference. You can start to see it a little bit. Okay, the next two are two of their lippy sticks. Again, the boxes look different for these ones as well, so I'm not sure if they came out at different times or what the story is behind that, but they do have two different boxes. Okay. The first one here, Carmel. Just nice little twist top. Smells nice. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. It's like a bright pink color. Really cute. I like it. The other one is in the shade Slacker. This one's in more like a white tube. Ooh. This one has like an orangey pink shade. I don't know, but it's pretty. Okay, and the last two are the lippy pencils. First is in this purple box, and it is in the shade BFF. Very pretty. I will swatch it on my hand since you can't see it as much as a liner. There you go. It's a pretty color. I like it. And last but not least is the other lippy pencil in this floral box. This is the shade So Happy. Okay, here it is. This one is a similar shade to the last one. Nice, pretty. It's more of a brown tan type shade. Okay, that concludes this unboxing. Stay tuned and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell so that you receive all notifications and never miss a video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.